In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Wise to ABA Bank. To do this, simply go and open up Wise. It can be the app or website, and from the home screen, you want to go and click on Send. Now from here, what you want to go and do is click on Add a Recipient, then select their currency. So ABA Bank is a bank in Colombia, so therefore you would search for Colombia, but if you want to send to a different currency, you can always just select that. So I'll select Colombian peso, and from here click enter bank details. Now here choose if it's your account or someone else's. I'll say someone else. And from here there are some details you need to enter. So the bank name, the recipient's account number, the account type, phone number, and their address. Then click confirm, and then they will be added as a recipient. You can then choose how much you would like to send to them, and then just go and make the payment, and it will be on its way to your recipient. So that's how to transfer money from Wise to ABA Bank. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.